So I don't know if you guys know this, but Lyft updates every year with the car requirements. So I'm just going to use Los Angeles, for example, the vehicle requirements, but they get rid of a lot of cars. So every year, and it's about to be a new year, it's about to be 2023, they're going to change this. So right now, in order to qualify, your car has to be 2008 or newer. So my car, I have a 2011 car. So we'll see what they do it. But right now, guys, you can see if your car qualifies for Lyft Lux or Lyft Lux Black to earn more in each ride. Your car has to have 4 doors, 5 to 8 seats, including the driver, California license plate. And this is the secret one. So a lot of the cars cannot be subcompact cars, even if they are, even if they meet all these other requirements. So they got rid of a ton of cars. So you can add a subcompact vehicle starting August 25th. So I guess they just changed it maybe to, accommodate more people. Because, yeah, but we'll see what happens in 2023. And for Lyft Lux and Lyft Lux Black, I wanted to see the years that it has to be.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
I'm just sitting outside.
Okay, are you back?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and also, guys, you have to have higher than a 4.85 driver rating to get Lux ride requests, or else they ain't sending you any requests. So make sure you have all of these requirements. And by the way, in 2023, this probably is going to change. So your car has to be 2015 or newer. For Lux Black, it has to be 2017 or newer. So yeah, so if you want to get an Escalade, you have to get a 2017 and make sure on the new year, you might want to give yourself a 2-year buffer zone because you don't want to get deactivated.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it cold out there?
No, it's really warm.
That's nice. It's freaking freezing here.